Yo, what's good, boys? Caught an absolute banger today. Had a really great start to the week. So I'm going to break down why I ended up entering into this short position here. So we'll jump on the daily time frame and look at the bigger picture here. As we can see, if I can find the chart here. So we had a inverse on the daily. So we had this bullish daily fair value gap that was inversed by this bearish candle right here. And this kind of just told me that price is most likely going to move lower for the day. And that's exactly what we did. So now we'll drop back into the 3-minute time frame here. We can take a look at price off of New York session open. We had a push to the upside. We came up and swept out some 1-hour highs from over here. Made a move lower. We did not have any clean inverse to the downside, so that's why I didn't take a short position off of this right here. As we can see, price comes down and we fail to take out previous day low by 2 ticks. So we create relative equal lows with previous day low. So what that means is this is going to be a super strong area for price to retrace to or move back to. Whenever you have equal lows or relative equal lows, especially on the higher time frames, right here we have relative equal lows with previous day low. It's going to be a magnet for price to move back to, and I knew in this situation here that price would end up moving back to this area. So I stayed super patient, waited for us to come back up here. We reswept this high here, also reswept those 1-hour highs. We were delivering out of a 4-hour bearish gap. So I'll jump on the 4-hour so I can show that here. So we had this move back to the upside here, this wick. We tapped into this bearish 4-hour gap. As we can see, we just kind of flushed right out to the downside. But we'll go back to the 3-minute and so look how this movement is right here. We come up, sweep those highs, we're delivering out of the 4-hour bearish gap, and we have a massive candle straight to the downside. We run straight through this bullish 3-minute. This is how every inverse should look. This is a super clean reaction. Took one candle to inverse this gap. Super clean momentum, very fast and very aggressive. So there's a lot of sellers that stepped in here, pushed straight through the gap. I entered short off of the 3-minute inverse, and obviously I was targeting previous day low, so a little bit below this wick right here. And as we can see, price flushed out and dumped straight to our TP. So that was the trade of the day today. That was the only A+ setup that I saw during AM session, and I'm glad that I was able to capitalize on this. So super clean start to the week, really good trade. So let's carry this momentum into the rest of the week, and I'll be back on here tomorrow with another recap. Peace.